Welcome to 59 Perulpa Drive on Lamp Island, an exquisite Hampton style waterfront home with high raked timber ceilings and spectacular sea views. The home makes the most of the views and the breezes by having large opening stacker doors which connect the veranda to the open plan living and kitchen. The master bedroom has an ensuite, beautiful fittings and a large walk-in wardrobe. With various cupboards for storage throughout the home. The second bedroom also has built-in wardrobe and air conditioning. The main bathroom is luxurious with a screenless shower. Another benefit of this home is the backup lithium battery system powered by the solar on the roof. If you'd like to find out more about this beautiful, rare offering, contact Kat from T. Barclay Real Estate for more information. Thanks for watching.